Good morning guys, and for today's video, I'll be sharing to you some video clips of Jacob's field trip together with me. Come on, let's go!
Okay, sino ba ang gusto mag-lead ng prayer from the student? Okay, everyone.
Slowly.
Since bus number 1 po tayo, we have some rushes. As we can see, maayos at malinis yung bus sila Kuya Joker at Kuya Christian. As much as possible, sana po, ganyan pa rin tayo hanggang sa pag-uwi. Okay lang po ba yun? Okay. Magkakaroon tayo ng body system inside bus 1, body partner 6 yung mga katabi. Sino pong walang kasamang chaperone, pakitaas na mind your seatmates. Okay, pag nawala po yan, kayo po ang may kasalanan. So, ingatan silang mabuti. Sa lahat po ng pupuntahan, double check your seatmates. Pagbaba ng...
So guys, nag-morning na. Tanaw ng sky.
Good morning na, hindi na evening. So what are you eating? Oh, French fries. And in the window? What is that in the window?
It's
Ketchup.
to you.
Ketchup.
It's the ketchup punch.
15 minutes para po mag-buklay, mag-powder, ganyan. Magpa-ayos na po kay mami para pagdating sa ating first itinerary, maganda po ang ating picture. Okay? Makikiusap po ako ha, sa lahat po ng pupuntahan natin, magkakaroon po tayo ng group picture as per bus number 1. Ako po, sa mansion, maghanap po tayo ng isang area doon kung saan maganda pong mag-picture. Para po, so for now, you can have your, magpa-fresh.
No, let's go there. Let's fucking play here. Excuse, let's go there.
No.
Huh?
Wait. Let's go.
We're going.
Hold.